Are you looking for the best wet tile saw in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best wet tile saw that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Skil 3540-027-inch wet tile saw. We are going to start off our wet tile saw reviews with this unit that is from Skil. If you are planning to work with large size tiles, then this is the one that you should shoot for. As we mentioned above, the unit is capable of accommodating large workpieces. It comes with a stainless steel top, which will be able to support those big tiles easily. On that note, the stainless steel top is also resistant to rusts and corrosions. Apart from that, the rip fence that it has is fully adjustable. The miter gauge that it features will allow you to not only get miter cuts, but it will also make it easier for you in the case of getting a straight cut in your workpiece. It also features a bevel cutting mechanism. With that, you will get cuts that are anywhere from 0 degrees to 45 degrees. The blade that it sports is 7 inches in diameter, so you will be able to do cross cuts that are 7.25 inches diagonally. It is kept cool with the water reservoir that is installed right with it. Up next in the 4th place is the DeWalt wet tile saw. The manufacturer DeWalt has been around for quite a while now, and they are well known for providing the market with reliable and robust power tools for heavy-duty workload. This one that they are offering is no exception. In fact, it is the top-rated wet tile saw in the market. Unlike some of the units that are out there, this one packs a powerful motor. It has a rated peak power of 1.5 HP. Apart from that, the blade that it sports is the XP4 blade. It is 10 inches in diameter, and the max depth it can cut is 3-1 divided by 8 inches. Also, it bevels to 45 degrees from 0 degrees. To allow you to perform accurate cuts, it comes along with a cut line indicator. The rollers on the bottom are of stainless steel, which will ensure the stability that is required to get precise cuts. Other than that, it has a compact frame that will let you transport it around easily. The body measures 34 by 26 inches, and the overall weight is just 69 pounds. It also features dual adjustable water nozzles. After adjusting them, you will be able to ensure proper dispersion of water. The 3rd product on our list is the MK370XP wet tile saw. The wet saw tile cutter is not only the ones that boast a substantial amount of cutting power, but it should also be easier to maintain. A perfect example of such a unit would be this one that is from MK Diamond. One thing that makes this unit stand out the most is the hinge guard that it comes along. This blade guard will not only protect the user from the splashes of water that the blade might spray, but also makes the maintenance process easy. Other than that, the unit is exceptionally lightweight too. The overall weight is just 33 pounds, which means portability will not be an issue, and it is made from quality materials. The blade that it features is a diamond blade, which is 7 inches in diameter. It can make cuts that are 18 inches long and are 13 inches diagonally, and the depth that it can cut it is 2 inches. To allow you to make angled cuts easily, it has a built-in miter system. You will be able to make cuts that are 0 to 45 degrees. Apart from that, the plunge capability of the unit will make cutting outlets and many other openings an easy task. Second on our list is the Skil 3550-027-inch wet tile saw. Cleaning up the working space after all the cutting tasks are finished can be a bit of hassle. Well, Skil kept that in mind, and that is why they implemented a unique water containment design in this one. It is also the best wet tile saw for the money that we could find. To begin with, it features a patented hydro lock system. This containment mechanism keeps the water contained as close to the blade as possible. It will be able to make the cleanup process feel effortless. Apart from that, the sliding extension that it boasts will allow you to work with large-sized workpieces, and as the tabletop is of aluminum, you can expect it to last for an extended amount of time without catching rust and corroding. The rip fence that it comes with is fully adjustable. It has a built-in miter gauge system. Combining those two, you will easily be able to make miter cuts and straight cuts. Talking about the cuts, you will also be able to make the beveled ones. It will allow you to make 0, 22.5, and lastly, 45 degrees cuts. Finally, the top product on our list is the Chicago Pneumatics 2.5 horsepower 10 industrial tile saw. Among all the options, the industrial ones are probably the best wet tile saw on the market. They do not only boast a considerable amount of cutting power, but also are incredibly versatile. A good example of that would be this one that is from Chicago Pneumatics. Unlike most of the units, this one packs a motor that is rated at 2.5 HP. It has sealed bearings that will make sure that the motors do not overheat. Apart from that, it also features a capable blade too. The maximum depth of cut that it can make is 3-1 divided by 8 inches, and the table that it features on top will be able to accommodate the workpieces that are 18 inches long and are 12 inches diagonally. The unit also comes with a heavy-duty column that is combined with a sturdy cutting head. This column will ensure a minimal amount of vibration. The head also pivots to 22.5 degrees and 45 degrees. Other than that, it has an oversized steel frame, and it features a precision bar system that will ensure a smooth cutting operation. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.